Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video we are discussing one more logical operator, which is not operator. Okay, so basically we already discussed about and or operator. And operator will return all the records which is satisfying both the conditions. Okay, and or operator will return the values which is satisfying any of the one condition also. Okay, and now we are discussing not operator. Okay, so first let's open our MySQL Workbench and practically understand how not operator work and what is not operator. Okay, so this is our SQL Workbench, and here you can see that we already write a where clause here and applying one condition. Okay, as you can see in our 5th line and above 4 line. I think you all will understand what this query means. Okay, because I already discussed these queries on each and every video. Okay, so as you can see here, if we write where age is greater than equals to 24, then we have these rows here where we have our name of our age of our employee is greater than 24, greater than or equals to 24. What if we are writing not after where clause? Okay, if I write not age is greater than equals to 24, then see what is the result. So for running this particular line, you just need to click Control Enter. So you can see here it will return the opposite result. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the records which is having age less than 24, but we are providing in our condition the age should be greater than 24, but we apply not here, not operator here. That's why it will returning us with a opposite result. Okay, that's why not operator is used in the combination with other operators to give opposite result. Okay, and it is also known as negative result. Okay, so that's how you can apply not operator in Power BI. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.